my mind like a fly. I mean, it's so short, I'm loving it tight. Let's take another guy with the demons eye, yo. Yeah, this is the color. Okay, I'm feeling this color. Nothing too spectacular about it. It is a very rich green though. Okay, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I have another review for you guys. This is a contacts review and it's with the company called Colorcl, but I guess they also go by Color Me. Okay, so this is the casing you get. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and they get provided tools with this to insert and remove the contacts. Okay, so you get contacts casing to put these in. So you have the contacts case and you get the tool to just remove the contacts in this one. In this one they provided the tools to insert and remove the contacts. So this one, I would use this one to insert the contacts. That's how I do it. And I use this one to remove the contacts. And yeah, you get the casing. And this is another cute one. I love it. The packaging is cute. I ain't gonna lie, it's cute. And yeah, they provided the tools, 2 tools to insert and remove as well. And lastly, they provided one just like the first one I showed you. They provided their own solution. This one is enhanced wetting and lubrication, and I also see this one helps remove protein buildup, which is really good, because I wouldn't say I've been searching, but I mean I've been wanting to get a solution that I could use to remove the protein buildup. But this is it here. So this is their small casing that you would get, and they also provided me a next solution. So this is their bigger size. They don't have any bigger on the website as yet, but let me open it and show you. When I first got the package, please know, like this solution had started to leak. So I'm not sure, I have to check how much is in it, but this one had started to leak. It still has solution in it, a good bit, still has a good bit of solution inside, but how they package this one, I don't know, they need to find a different way to package this. So today I will be reviewing I think I told them 7 pairs of contacts, and I think they sent me 2 extra pairs. So we have Cloud Brown, Romance India, Romance Cedar, Romance Brown, Milk, Choco, Bliss Patina, Bliss Angel, Vienna, Santa Cruz. I'm back and we gonna get straight into the trying on of these contacts. But before I start, I just want to say all the contacts I got were normal vision contacts. However, I do need prescription lenses. I just didn't get a chance to finish my trials for contacts, so I just told them to send me normal eyesight. So it not being my prescription will more than likely affect the comfortability of the contacts on my eyes. So I can't really say the comfortability, to be honest, for you guys. Okay, and I also gonna zoom in so you guys get to see the natural color of my eyes. So alright, so as y'all could see, I have very dark brown eyes. That is just my eye color. Now let's get into these contacts. Now which one I'm gonna try first for y'all? So Bliss Angel, and let me just take it out. Alright, so this is how it looks. I am going to install these contacts for you guys. So I'm using this tool to do it. And I'm just gonna hold my eyes up. Hold this up. And just keep blinking. Okay, these aren't bad. Okay, so this is Bliss Angel. Okay, so I'm gonna put in the next side for you guys. I'm gonna come off camera, put it on, and then come back. So this is how it looks from a distance. I'm zoomed in. I mean, they are a nice grayish color. Like, it does have a little tint of blue to it, but it is such a beautiful color. Okay, so to remove these contacts, I'm going to use this tool. So I'll be trying Cloud Brown next. Okay, so I'm back, and these ones that I'm currently wearing are called Cloud Brown, and this is how they look from a distance. Almost have like kind of greenish tint to them in person, but they are a very subtle color. It is Romance Cedar. And basically they are a kind of greenish color. So I'm gonna zoom in and allow you guys to see the contacts closer. So yeah, they're pretty though. They are a pretty color. And let me zoom in some more. I like this color, it's pretty. Milk Choco is the next ones I'm gonna be trying. So I'm currently wearing Milk Choco right now, and they're just a slightly lighter color to my eyes. It's just a little lighter brown than my eyes, to be honest. If you're looking for something subtle, you could get these. You see what I mean? In person they look more of a kind of greenish tone than to how they appears on camera. Zoom in some more for you guys. Bliss Patina. Okay, so this is Bliss Patina, and I have to say I like this color. This is how they look from a distance. They are a very bright green color. In person, people gonna peep these this color. It's very striking, to be honest. I would say would I say this look like that? It doesn't really give contacts, you know. It doesn't really look too much like, but if you come up really close to my face, you'll be able to tell these are contacts. So look how beautiful. I already know, pretty sure this is Bliss Patina, but this is my favorite color out of all of them, and I'm sure this is gonna be my favorite color after trying the rest of these contacts. That's Romance Brown. Okay, so this one I got on is Romance Brown. I really like this brown. It very well is a greenish color to it. It is green. It is a greenish color. I'm not sure on camera, it's kind of showing up hazel. So this is how it is from like a distance and zoomed in. Let's see. Okay, so yeah, it is kind of like greenish, but it is a beautiful color though. Okay, I like this, I really do. So I'll be trying Romance India next. Romance India, and in person it's a beautiful green in person. It has, all right, when I zoom in I'm gonna describe it for you, but it is a beautiful color. Okay, so it has a kind of bluish ring on the outside, and obviously inside is a type of green color. I really love this color. It's beautiful. It's very natural compared to the others. Yeah, next I'll be trying Vienna. This pair that I'm currently wearing now is called Vienna. Nothing too spectacular about it. It is a very rich green though. Okay, so these are the last contacts, which are Santa Cruz, and they are just like a deep green color. From a distance, this is how they look, and now let me zoom in. It's pretty though. Okay, so the shipping, I must say the shipping for this company was really quick, especially since it was delivering to Trinidad, which is a really good pro for this company. Also an amazing pro is, compared to a lot of contacts I've reviewed in the past, this company is definitely one of the cheapest contacts out there. All the contacts typically range I think from $15 to $30, but most of the contacts on the website are around $15, which is extremely cheap for contacts, trust me. Yeah, so I definitely would recommend this company if you're someone on a budget and you don't like spending a lot of cash. This is the perfect company for you. $15, you can't beat that. On top of that, fast shipping. And on top of that, I got a special coupon code, which would be JOBH. I'll put it on the screen. It would be in the description box as well. This coupon code is for 10% off. So when you make a purchase, use my coupon code, you get 10% off, and the contacts are $15. Come on, you save a little money, which is good. And with that being said, I just want to say thank you, Colorcl, for choosing me to promote your contacts. I really enjoyed doing this review. 9 pairs of contacts I did for you guys, and I have a lot of reviews coming up for you guys, so stay tuned. Toodles!